Welcome back to Gear Up Windows YouTube channel. In this video, we will guide you on how to create a desktop shortcut for Microsoft Store apps on Windows 11. It is quite easy. Let's get started. First, click on this one Start button at the taskbar. After that, click on this one All Apps button. Now scroll down and find the app you want to create a desktop shortcut for Microsoft Store apps such as Microsoft Teams. Now select it and drag it to the free space on the desktop. When you see this one link option, lift your finger from the mouse. Now that particular app desktop shortcut will be created. You can access it by double click on this one desktop shortcut. Like this, you can create a desktop shortcut for any Microsoft Store apps on your Windows 11 PC. That's all about this video. If you are new to our channel Geared Up Windows, kindly subscribe it. And if you love this video, press thumbs up. Bye bye.